Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
In they face, I hold it down for ones who couldn't keep them in my purse. Hey, hey, hey.
Niggas talking down, I hit them up. I was on a mission, get close to the whip and make them duck. They don't see the vision.
Yo, low key though. I'm up
So-
1,300 on micros. Like really deep that. Bro, this goal is short. That shit hit. I just saved one of my lucids. Bro, I have too many lucids, bro. And it's still going lower. Dang, bro. I gotta do the recap videos.
Yeah, I'm long by it.
You're
for-
long buys? So
Yeah, after the short play out.
So I had. Oh wait, let me def real quick and actually do my YouTuber thingy. I actually got to be a YouTuber, y'all. I'll be forgetting. So if we look at gold, I saw we pumped off open. You know what I'm saying? But we didn't really we ain't take the high up here, but it didn't even get up there. Like it didn't wick or nothing. So I was off the rip bears, and it might be reverse. I'm gonna go going on my second monitor, buddy. Yes, I'm trailing. Wow. Still in the trade. I didn't close the trade yet. It's kind of weird, but it's a good trade. So I want to go over it. We're up 2 bands on the trade. Like I said, it was a good trade. Want to go over it. I have my theme to where it's at.
Old and dumb thing.
Look at my screen. Bro, stop, bro. Stop. Go back down. Go back down. Go back down.
How much are you in?
10 micros. I'm about to get stopped out. I'm up 2 bands, but I saved this account.
Is that an eval?
Yeah. SIDS. I think I have 2 fundeds. And then I have 2 1,500 eval. Yeah, I have 2 fundeds and then 2 1,500 evals. This might be my third if it gets to 1,500, which I'm pretty sure is like right here. I'm not sure. I'm up 1,200. Oh my god. I was just up 1,200. I'm up 900. Bro, do you hear that? Bro, do you hear that in the background, bro? Trolling, bro. Bro, did you?
Order filled.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I did just make
That's
1,900 though. I did just make 1,900 though. I gotta. You ain't see that candle,
Nah.
nigga? Look at gold. I gotta wait. I gotta lose money though. Phil.
Order
Stop,
filled.
Phil.
Order filled.
No, don't make money. Stop. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't bounce. Don't. No, stop. 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 Yo, GG's, bro. But I don't know, bro. I just got the candle, bro. My slippage gave me too much profit. I took a trade and the trade bounces. I just bottom ticked. Okay, hold up. This is like I need to lose $200.
Order filled.
Yo, if I keep making money, I'm and I'm bottom ticking and top ticking too. Like I had no drawdown right there. Yes, reverse. Yes. Yes. Stop me out. Yes.
Order.
I'm trying to fail an account. Or not actively fail. I'm trying to lose money.
Order filled.
Oh no. Not that.
Order filled.
Perfect. I'm up 1,500. Okay, perfect. Now I can go over the trade. So this was the trade we took on gold during Asia. It was off this green line. My chart's kind of hard to see, but yeah, this green line, which was I believe and there was like a 4-hour reversal sat on top of it. Yeah, it was a 12-hour buy reversal. I noticed on gold coming in to the day, coming into the open, really, I wanted to either we just, you know what I'm saying, like last week we were just going straight up. Like if you look at the daily 3, 4, 5, bro, this is all last week, bro, literally just straight up. So I was like, okay, you know, gold is very fear based, and if it's gonna continue going straight up, bro, it's gonna just continue going straight up. Like it's gonna be like an NQ candle. So now I can see. Now I gotta go all the way back and do these. But yeah, I do trade level theory. It's kind of hard to understand, but not really. It's just stacked levels with you know, like context. And even if you don't use level theory for entries, bro, finding TPs and like where you can take partials is like goated for. So yeah, I'm saying off open, we didn't even swipe RTH, which was last week's New York high. Didn't swipe it, and that's what I wanted to look for if I wanted long bias. So I was short bias. I was waiting for shorts. I was thinking I could get in a trade right here. I didn't. I'm starting OBS right here. I had to update it, and it took forever to update. But I get in a trade. I see like we sweep like this candle gets bought up like immediately. So that's when I start looking for trades. When gold starts moving weird, that's like when the candles start moving weird, that's when I start looking for trades. Like look, you see these two candles, like, and then you could have caught. Like, bro, that's when people say you gotta watch price action. Like that's what they mean. Like that's just like if you go like, oh my god, I be getting off topic, but I promise you, if you go to every gold short or whatever, like before it breaks out or whatever, there's like a long ass candle. So I literally saw this. I'm like, okay, I'm looking for shorts now. Boom, it hit this level once and didn't immediately, like, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, okay, it didn't hit this level, it stayed there for a little bit. I'm like, okay, I want shorts. I'm looking for shorts. I set a limit at the level, it tags me in. My stop was not up here. Stop was at the top of this box. You know what I'm saying? Yo, saw the take profit. I needed to get that account to 1,500 so I can, you know, pass it to not tomorrow, but on Tuesday. But yeah, what was the trade for today? I'm not trading New York because I
fucked that. I thought, bro, damn.
I wasn't gonna take a trade, but I'm up at Asia Open, so I'm like, okay, let me look at Asia. Let me really look at Asia so I can see what's going on. See what's really happening.